clouds rolling through a heavy sky. We want the quiet, but we're afraid to cry. Looking for a shelter from the driving rain, trying to find the healing without the pain. But you can't chase the shadows if you never see the night, and you can't demand the dawn without fighting for the light. Just because I fix the broken pieces inside. No more running from the secrets we try to hide. So let the thunder roll, let the waters rise. I'm looking deep within, opening my eyes. Gotta find the root of what's breaking me apart, to clear a little space for the quiet in my heart. Elevating duets, and it feels like the sunshine after the storm. A sacred kind of healing, keeping me warm. The world is still chaotic, spinning all around, but I found a holy calmness on this solid ground. Oh, it's elevating me, elevating me. Teary-eyed beloved, finally set free. Yeah, this is what peace looks like to me. You gotta define it before you can find it. Eliminate the chaos, step into the glow. Let the emotional rivers overflow. It's unexplainable the way that I feel. The storm was heavy, but the peace is real. Mãe João la paix, dazzling rays of the